Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to DalePaulSlots. We're going to play a game I've never played before. It's a brand new one. It's called Railroad Riches. This is the game, I believe, that replaced the train game that there was so much controversy about. At least in this one, this is where they put it. So I don't know if it's the same manufacturer, who it is, but this is the machines. So let's see. We have $335 in there. Let's play. Let's see what we have here. We're going to play a little bit of 375. But okay. No idea what's wild. Obviously, the badges. Okay. $12. I don't know if you need 6 of those. Let's see. 1 through 6 may randomly add 3 of the bonus triggers a free game. Okay. I'm assuming he's wild. Not the greatest. $4.25. Come on, one more. No. Six or more of the gold things activate random spins. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's a lot of slow-uns. Let's see what we got. $42. Can't complain on that.
Here we go.
Okay, here comes some more. Oh. Okay, $4.50. Interesting game. Six or more as the hold and spin. 1 through 6 may randomly add coins up there. Okay. We're at Bay Mills Casino and Resort in beautiful Brimley, Michigan. Trying out one of their new games. Come on, bonus. Yes. No.
Here we go.
There we go. Come on, up front. Come on, give me something to go with it. Are you kidding? Wow. Potential was there, but it's only $6. Come on, more. Okay. Need 6 of them to trigger the hold and spin. few. Graphics on this is really good. Okay, we just got something. I'm not sure what. We got the bonus. Okay. 8 free games won. Well, these are the one of the big in the center. Nada. Wow. Come on. That's 3 of 8. Okay. Okay. Something. I didn't realize I could stop halfway through. Five games left. Nada. Boy, those sacks of gold keep showing up, don't they? 2 games left. Come on, last spin. $35. Okay. Not great. For a $3.75 bet. Okay, let's change up denomination. We're going to go 2 cent. And we'll go $3. And $15.60. One of the most ones I've won so far. Okay, let's see if we get something else a little bit better. Come on. Okay, little bit. Hey, as long as it's more than the money I'm spending, I'll keep taking it every spin. Come on. Oh, I needed one more. ladies and gentlemen. We're going to take this down to $100. And quit while we're behind. I am going to go back to, for the few that I've got left, to the 5 cent. $3.75, a couple spins left. $7.50. Come on, it's not going to happen because they usually let you know ahead of time. Couple spins. Last spin right here, ladies and gentlemen. Can we get a last spin win? No. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Made by Sega Sammy Creations. Not impressed. Really not. Pay lines are terrible. Even, 5 cent. Terrible, terrible. Anyways, you can play it. You can make up your mind. Check it out. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and may your slot be hot.